Hello friends, welcome to Competition World. Today we are going to see about a new quiz competition conducted on the My Government quiz page, the 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War quiz. The time period of the quiz is from 11 January to 22 January 2021. So there will be 20 questions asked within a duration of 300 seconds. Let us see more information about the quiz competition. Before that, if you like to know more updates about quiz competition or any other competition conducted in India, please subscribe to our channel. So, about the quiz, as a part of the Republic Day celebrations 2021, an online quiz competition of on 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War will be conducted by Ministry of Defence in coordination with my government during 11 to 22nd January 2021 in order to create patriotic feeling among youth and masses. So, in order to create the patriotic feeling among youth and masses, this 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War quiz was conducted. So the salient features is nothing but the quiz will be bilingual in format, which means the questions in this quiz will be asked both in Hindi and English. So the duration of the quiz is 5 minutes, which means 300 seconds, during which a maximum number of 20 questions can be answered. There will be first, second and third and 7 consolation prizes, which means totally 10 prizes you will receive. The first prize is 25,000 rupees, second prize 15,000 rupees, third prize 10,000, and the consolation prizes. The other 7 consolation prizes, every consolation prizes is 5,000 rupees each. So let us see some terms and conditions, simple terms and conditions. Only Indian aged citizens aged 14 years and above can participate in this quiz. Citizens aged only 14 years and above can participate in this quiz. And any individual is permitted to participate only once in the quiz. You can participate only once. The documents, like after the quiz, it's like the winners. Once the winners announced, it is the after process, like how they will give money in the form of collecting on information and documents. So the criteria for selection successful winners is being maximum correct answers in the shortest time. So the criteria is simple: maximum correct answers in the shortest time. So they will compare the correct answers, and based on that they will select the winners. If the winners are in the same number of correct answers, they will see the shortest time they have answered. So it is the criteria: maximum correct answers in the shortest time. Any individual who desire to participate in the quiz will be required to provide his or her name, birth or correspondent address or email address or mobile number. It's like no need to give, actually it will be automatically sent to them. If you update your My Government profile, before participating in this quiz, update your My Government profile. If you are new to the My Government, you can just go and register everything, give your name details, every details. It will ask many details. You can fill up like a form and you can just submit and create your My Government ID and just come back to this quiz page and log in to play quiz. Click this login to play quiz, and once you click the start quiz, here a start quiz button appears. Once you log in, once you have finished your login, and you can give start quiz. So once you given start quiz, the quiz starts. So before that, yes, you can see this is the portrait of the quiz competition. Here it is like it is only asked in Hindi, or it will be also asked in English. Don't worry, here you can see the 20 questions. Like you can also skip the question, and you can also go to the next question if you are question. If you feel tough with the question, you can also skip a question. So this is a timely quiz. Already I said these questions will be randomly picked from the question bank. You should actually go through Google or any other information website about the 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War. The key incidences happen and everything you can go through. And in case of multiple answers, participants having given same number of correct answers, the participant who take the least time to compare the quiz will be adjudged the winner. So as I said already, the maximum number of correct answers here they have given in the form of like understandable. You can. So let us see how to participate in the quiz. So as I have already registered in My Government, I will just give this login to play quiz button. So friends, now you can see here the login to play quiz button disappears and here a start quiz button appears. So once you click start quiz button, the quiz will start. So now we can start the quiz. So friends, I have finished doing the quiz. I have finished the quiz. So now we can see here, congratulations for participating in the quiz. And if you click here, a digital certificate, you can download an auto digital certificate. This is a digitally generated certificate, so no signature is required. So I will click here and download my digital certificate. So now friends, you can download from here your digital certificate. I will click download certificate. If you once you have completed with any quiz, you can see your mark here. Actually, if you completed with any quiz, you can actually see your mark here. Once the quiz date time is completed, the marks will be available for your vision. So friends, now I have completed the quiz successfully, and I have successfully downloaded the certificate. This certificate you can also convert to this e-certificate. You can also convert to a real certificate through printing. So friends, participate in this exciting quiz competition. Share this video with your friends who are interested in the quiz competitions, like answering quiz competitions. Share this video with them. Like this video if you found this video informational, and subscribe to our channel for more information like this. Comment below your questions on this quiz competition or any other quiz competition conducted in my government platform, any other competitions. More videos are coming soon. Keep following us, keep supporting us. Thank you every friends. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.